It's early morning and we're traveling light for our family getaway to Vienna. Flying from Stansted, we'll share a few travel tips along the way. Come join us on this journey.
time is 1 hour and 50 minutes. The weather is pretty nice as long as we are halfway, and after that it's gonna be a little bit windy on the approach, and a bit windy in Vienna as well. Thank you for coming with us, and please pay attention for the cabin.
The news stated in our emergency. The designated door opens at the aircraft at the front, in the middle, and the rear of the cabin. Please note that the nigger is behind. To fasten a seatbelt, insert the metal into the buckle and secure properly the loose end. To open it.